Did you know your bank is hiding a money-saving trick from you? Shocking, right? Not really. It's banks. They have a knack for keeping secrets, especially when it comes to your money. You might think they're on your side, but let's be real. They're not. They're in it for themselves. They're like that friend who borrows 20 bucks and forgets to pay you back. You know the one, always promising to return it but somehow never does. Except in this case, it's not just 20 bucks, it's your hard-earned money, and they're playing a much bigger game, except they're doing it with billions of dollars. Imagine a vault filled with cash, all of it yours, but you can't touch it. That's what banks are doing. They're holding onto your money, using it to make more money for themselves, and giving you the bare minimum in return. And instead of 20 bucks, they're pocketing the interest you should be earning. You see that interest rate sign? It's a joke. The real joke is on us, the consumers. We deposit our money expecting it to grow, but instead it just sits there, barely moving. Banks, they're not your friends, they're businesses. And like any business, their primary goal is profit. They might offer you a smile and a handshake, but behind that facade, they're calculating how to make the most off of you. And their business is making money off of you. Every fee, every charge, every low interest rate is designed to benefit them, not you. It's frustrating, isn't it? You work hard for your money and they just take a slice without you even realizing it. But fear not, because I'm here to expose their sneaky ways and arm you with a money-saving hack so simple, so effective, you'll wonder why you didn't know about it sooner. It's time to take control of your finances and stop letting the banks dictate your financial future. So brilliant, it'll make you want to slap your forehead and say, why didn't I think of that? It's a game changer, a revelation that will empower you to make smarter financial decisions. No more being in the dark, no more being taken advantage of. Get ready to fight back against the man, and by man I mean the entire banking system. It's time to stand up, be informed, and take action. Knowledge is power, and with this newfound knowledge, you'll be equipped to navigate the financial landscape with confidence and savvy. So stay tuned, because we're about to dive deep into the world of banking and uncover the secrets they don't want you to know. Let's get started. Remember when banks used to give you decent interest rates on your savings accounts? Yeah, me neither. These days, you're lucky if you get a measly 0.01%. It's practically an insult. They're basically saying, thanks for letting us hold on to your money. Here's a participation trophy in the form of a fraction of a cent. Meanwhile, they're using your hard-earned cash to make themselves rich. It's the biggest heist since the last time a bank got bailed out by taxpayers. But there's a way to beat them at their own game. A secret weapon, if you will. And it's so simple, it's almost embarrassing. Are you ready for this? Brace yourselves. The secret to saving more money? Trick yourself into doing it. Sometimes the best way to save is to make it so effortless that you barely notice it's happening. It's like reverse psychology for your finances. You set things up in such a way that saving becomes automatic, almost like a reflex. Here's the gist. You're going to open a separate savings account. Not just any savings account, mind you, but a high-yield savings account. This is crucial because it maximizes the interest you earn on your savings. Now I know what you're thinking. You beautiful, hilarious genius. What the heck is a high-yield savings account? Well, my friend, it's like a regular savings account, but instead of earning a pittance in interest, you actually earn a semi-respectable amount. Think of it as the difference between finding a crumpled dollar bill in your pocket and finding a 20. It's a pleasant surprise that adds up over time. Still not a fortune, but hey, I'll take it. Every little bit helps, and those small amounts can grow significantly over time. The key here is to make this new savings account your forget you even have it fund. This money is off limits, untouchable. You set it and forget it. Like that last slice of pizza you're saving for later, but probably won't. You know it's there, but you resist the urge to touch it. To make this work, set up automatic transfers from your checking account to this high-yield savings account. Decide on an amount that you won't miss too much and schedule it to transfer on payday. This way, the money moves before you even have a chance to spend it. It's like paying yourself first, and it ensures that your savings grow consistently. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much you can save without even thinking about it. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that leverages the power of automation. You don't have to constantly remind yourself to save. The system does it for you, making it easier to stick to your financial goals. Imagine reaching your financial milestones faster than you thought possible, all because you set up this forget you even have it fund. It's a game changer. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or just building an emergency fund, this strategy can help you get there with less stress and more success. So take the first step today. Open that high-yield savings account, set up those automatic transfers, and watch your savings grow. you'll be glad you did. Remember, the key to successful saving is consistency and making it as effortless as possible. With the Forget You Even Have It fund, you're well on your way to financial success. So go ahead, trick yourself into saving more. And remember to hit the like button on this video. Your future self will thank you. And who knows, you might even find that saving money becomes a habit you enjoy. After all, there's nothing quite like the peace of mind that comes with financial security. So start today and let the Forget You Even Have It fund work its magic. Happy saving. Now let's talk about another clever way to save money without even realizing it. Discovering hidden cashback offers. This technique can help you save on your everyday purchases, from groceries to online shopping. Imagine getting a little bit of money back every time you spend. Sounds great, right? There are real apps and cashback offers out there just waiting to be found. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta can give you cash back on things you were going to buy anyway. It's like finding money in your pocket that you didn't know you had. Here's how it works. First, download one of these cashback apps. Most of them are free and easy to use. Once you've signed up, you can start browsing the offers available. These apps often partner with a wide range of retailers. So whether you're doing your weekly grocery shopping or buying something online, there's a good chance you'll find a cashback offer that suits you. For example, let's say you need to buy groceries. Before you head to the store, check the app for any available cashback offers. You might find deals on items you were already planning to buy. Simply add those offers to your account, and when you purchase the items, you'll get a percentage of your money back. It's that simple. Online shopping works similarly. When you're ready to make an online purchase, open the cashback app or browser extension and see if the retailer offers cashback. Click through the app to make your purchase and voila, you'll earn cashback on your order. Many of these apps also offer sign-up bonuses, so you can start saving right away. These savings can add up over time. Just like with your Forget You Even Have It fund, the key is consistency. By regularly using cashback apps, you'll gradually accumulate savings without any extra effort. It's a smart, easy way to make your money go further. So take a few minutes today to explore these hidden cashback offers. Download a couple of apps, sign up, and start taking advantage of the deals available. You'll be surprised at how much you can save on everyday purchases. And remember, every little bit helps on your journey to financial success. Happy saving. Now let's talk about another powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Using a credit card over a debit card that banks don't want you to know about. This simple switch can offer you some surprising benefits. By using a credit card, you can generate points or cashback offers on your everyday purchases. Imagine earning rewards just for buying things you were going to buy anyway. Sounds like a win-win, right? Here's how it works. When you use a credit card, many issuers offer rewards programs that give you points, miles, or cashback on your purchases. Whether it's groceries, gas, or even your monthly subscription services, these rewards can add up quickly. And the best part? If you pay the balance off at the end of the month, it's similar to paying with cash, but you get the added benefits of rewards. For example, let's say you spend $500 a month on your credit card. If your card offers 2% cash back, that's $10 back in your pocket each month or $120 a year. That's money you can use for anything you like, whether it's saving for a rainy day or treating yourself to something special. But remember, the key to making this work is paying off your balance in full each month. This way, you avoid interest charges and keep your spending in check. It's all about being smart with your money and maximizing the benefits available to you. So, take a look at your current spending habits and consider making the switch to a rewards credit card. With a little bit of planning and discipline, you can turn your everyday purchases into valuable rewards, helping you save money and reach your financial goals faster. Check out some credit cards offers listed in the description below. Watch your money grow. This is the best part. You literally have to do nothing. Just sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. It's like watching paint dry, but it's oddly satisfying. Every time you get paid, a little bit of money will automatically transfer to your Forget You Even Have It fund. And because it's a high-yield savings account or cashback offers, that money will start earning interest. It's like a snowball effect. But instead of snow, it's money. And instead of rolling down a hill, it's just sitting there growing. Congratulations, you're officially a financial genius. Or at least you're on your way to becoming one.